6'3" from Kentucky, number 5, Emmanuel Quickly.
Sucks!
6'6" from Duke, number 9, R.J. Barrett.
Sucks!
6'6" from North Carolina, number 25, Reggie Bullock.
Sucks!
6'8" from Kentucky, number 30, Julius Randle.
Sucks!
And at 6'10" from Kentucky, number 3, Nerlens Noel.
Sucks!
The bell is a symbol of the city's unity and passion. Ringing tonight's bell, they led the Delaware Bluecoats to their first G-League Finals appearance in franchise history. Number 7, Isaiah Joe. Number 9, Rayshawn Tucker. And number 44, B. Paul Paul.